Good morning, children. I'm your English teacher, Josephine James. Today, we are going to see the first chapter. It's Exploring Space. What is space? In terms of universe, it includes everything. So all the stars, millions of stars, billions of galaxies, the planets, everything is in the space. Which planet do we live? We live in Earth. Let's go in detail about this chapter. Earth, the desolated home. Desolated place. What is desolated place? Desolated place is the place which is not suitable for human being to live. So when there is no water, when there is no air to breathe, when there is no food, we cannot live in that place anymore. So that is called desolated place. I'll give explanation about the new terms which was used in this chapter. Capsule. It's a sleeping bag. In Earth, wherever you want, you can sleep. Just lie down. But out of Earth, it's difficult. So, you need a sleeping bag. These are called capsule. Dust storm. The next is dust storm. See, it's completely covered with dust. So, children, in this chapter, there are two important characters. One is Arivumati, she's the granddaughter, and next character is grandpa. In this chapter, the author have clearly imagined. It's completely an imagination story. It explains what will happen if we desolate this earth. Okay, so now in year 2068, the earth is no more for human being. So where are we going to live? So we are forming a colony. It's colonization. This is a term, colonization, used in this chapter. It means a new colony formed in a different area. So India have few colonies in Mars, and other countries have created colonies in Mars. So Arivumati lives in a colony. It's her birthday. So she's surprised. When she wakes up, she sees her grandfather. Her grandfather travels 1500 kilometers to see her granddaughter Arivumati. So when her grandfather reached, he is surprised. It's, of course, he knows that they sleep in capsule, but he feels very bad that they need to sleep in capsule. So Arivumati is shocked, and she is very surprised and happy to see her grandfather. So she asked her grandfather, "Oh, grandpa, how did you manage to reach my place on my birthday?" He said, "Yeah, today there was no dust storm, so I was able to come to your birthday." Okay, then grandpa and Arivumati, they go on a vegetation trip. They just go to see how the vegetables are grown, to see the place. There, he explains how tasty the food was, because in earth we get natural water from rain, so the soil is fertile. The fruits and vegetables that grow, it tastes yummy. So the grandfather explains about this to his granddaughter. So Arivumati listens to her grandfather. And in Mars, it takes 687 days to make a year. It means how old you will be in Mars. As of now, you are 10 years old. But if you live in Mars, then your age would be just 5 years. So in Mars, the days or the year is longer. From this chapter, what we learn is Earth is the beautiful and the best place to live. So whatever is available in Earth, we cannot take it for granted. We have to save water, we have to save electricity, we have to save everything that we get in this Earth. We should grow plants, we should not deforestate, we should not cut all the trees and build it. Even if your father buy a land, if he's going to build a house, ask him to leave a small space to grow, keep a garden just to grow few trees. This is very, very important to save our Earth. Okay children, I hope you understood this lesson. Please go through the chapter and let's meet in the next class. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.